A new discovery has just been made close to Antarctica, and it's got people questioning what it is and how long it's been there. 4 large pyramids can be seen close to Antarctica, with many being confused, saying that they look very similar to the large pyramids found in Egypt, further saying they could have been placed here by ancient civilizations. Pyramid-like structures are certainly nothing new, with some of the oldest pyramids on our planet being found in Egypt, and being dated to over 4,000 years old. However, this date has been disputed by many, saying that advanced civilizations may have built these giant structures, and that it was the Egyptians who found them. One such place that backs up this theory is that of Teotihuacan, with historians saying that Teotihuacan is older than the Aztec people, and that it's not known which culture or civilization created Teotihuacan. The same theory is being applied to these mysterious structures, with people saying they don't look like mountains or anything natural, saying that you can see they look like they've been placed in a straight line. When the images were shared to groups online who study ancient structures and artifacts, even they were confused about what had been discovered, with various members saying that these are some of the best images of underwater pyramids that they've seen. One person said the following: "Some of the underwater pyramids that have been presented in the past don't look anything like pyramids, and just look like natural underwater features that are in the shape of a pyramid. The fact that this image looks similar to the pyramids in Egypt when viewed from above is certainly interesting. This doesn't mean that something otherworldly created them, but it could certainly mean that there's a lost civilization close by, and that in itself is incredibly interesting." End quote. These 4 structures measure 7,108 meters, or 23,320 feet. Scientists and historians have said that Antarctica does not, and has never had any civilizations inhabit there, yet when these types of discoveries are made it causes people to question this idea. Another person said the following: "We should be following the facts and not just statements. The fact is that there are 4 large structures that look like pyramids just outside of Antarctica, so what we should be doing is sending a team there to go and investigate if it's anything of interest. Even if it turns out to be nothing, at least we'll have an answer." These days people will say things like they're not pyramids, because scientists say that no one has ever lived there before, but that statement only works all the time that no discoveries are being made. Every year we are finding out more and more things about Antarctica, and we shouldn't be afraid of going against the grain when interesting discoveries are being made." End quote. This is a fair statement, as in the past many scientists have been proven wrong. One of these examples is that of the coelacanth. This creature was swimming around in our oceans hundreds of millions of years ago, and scientists said they became extinct around 80 million years ago. But in 1938 a living coelacanth was discovered in the Indian Ocean, near the southern coast of Africa. Incredibly, these creatures have been living since the time of the dinosaurs. With this much evidence gathered by the scientific community, it's no surprise then that it appears there are large tales involving the existence of real-life encounters with ancient creatures, and these have continued into the modern day. It's creatures like the coelacanth that prove that scientists can be wrong, and the same applies with these kinds of structures. Unless we've gone there and investigated it, we can't say for sure that these aren't pyramids.